Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with what I call the 70 BB for ball bearing. It of course has two roller ball bearings in the axle, and this has been just totally had a nuclear restoration, as I like to call it. There's hardly a thing on this that hasn't been touched, polished, cleaned, repainted, just made like new. And it runs like new, even though it's an older version with the skinny snowman handles. It's got a hammer tone light blue base on it, and of course I refinished the firebox and the chimney and chimney stand, and it's called VHT, very high temperature burnt copper paint, which is my favorite. And it's totally been the base has been sandblasted, and it looks as good underneath as it does on top, and I'll show you here in a second. It's about all the farther my cord's going to let me go that way. And let's look at the bottom. As you can see, it's just as clean underneath as it is on top. It has one of my special tags on it. See if I can capture it. It's very hard to do in this light. There we go. St. Paul Steam. The steam plant has been modified and been specially modified and built by St. Paul Steam. That's me. Okay. And I'm going to plug it in now, and we'll be right back, and we'll steam this beauty. Be right back, folks. Okay, we should be close enough to temperature. I'm cheating a little bit because it's just now barely getting warm, but and we're off and running. I do hate it when my hand gets in the way. She runs very sweetly. I work on them until they are that way. With that very high temperature paint on the boiler, it should stay looking like this for a long time. It's the one thing I wish Jensen would do from the factory. Keep from having those terribly bruised looking boilers. This one will do a fair amount of work. The roller ball bearings and the axles, it doesn't scrub off any speed or resistance. Take a little bit closer look. Be right back. It's hard to capture. I'll show you like a scalded dog too. Nice and slow. Thanks for looking, folks. Bye now.